What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Elijah Slayer, back again to another video. For today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install Tutubox on iOS device using this new method. Tutubox again has been resigned again. It has been 2 days when it has been resigned. So as you guys can see, Tutubox is now resigned, and you have all your Twitter application. You can literally scroll down and download any of your Tweak application right here. You can go to categories, go to jailbreak, games, and all the other stuff. You can download Among Us with all the skin unlock, and this is a method that is working for everybody. So for today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install Tutubox.io using this new method. So first of all, you are going to go to the link in the description down below that I'll leave. The link will take you to Tutubox.io right here. Yes, it is Tutbox.io, and here's the link. So first of all, you're going to see some prompt of ads right now. So all you have to do is literally scroll down and click on set sign certificate. Click on set. It's going to take you to another page. So all you have to do is literally go down and close the page right away. Open again the page and click again on set sign. It's going to take you back again here. Close the page, go back and click on set sign, and it's going to give you a prompt to install the application. So all you have to do is literally click on install, and the application is going to start installing. Tutbox is going to start installing, and you'll be able to download or take the application using this new method. As you guys can see, I have Spotify right here, which I downloaded using Tutbox, and we are going to download another application today. So let's go back to tutbox.io and literally try to download another application, and you guys will be able to see that no, all of the application on Tutbox are actually working, and you guys will be able to download it. So let's go ahead and download Odyssey right now, which you'll be able to download and install, which is a jailbreak, which is an application which allows you to jailbreak a device from iOS 13 to 13 point something, or 14 to 13.5. Yeah, 13.5. As you guys can see on the screen, all this is actually right now installing, depending on your internet connection. I don't know how long it's going to take. So as you guys can see, Odyssey has finished downloading. It's now right there, and you can literally click and you can see that Odyssey is now installed. You can see it saying I'm supported because I'm running iOS 14 and it can't be able to install on my iOS device right now. So if the application is not opening or it's saying untrusted certificate, all you have to do is literally go down to your jailbreak, go down to your settings, scroll down until you see general, scroll down again until you see profile and device management certificates, and find the certificates that you've installed. The certificate that I'm just from installing is this one, and all you have to do is literally click on the button here which says verify certificates. That's how it is. So all you have to do is literally click on verify certificates, and you can see that all of the applications that are downloaded are actually verified right now, and I can open them and use them using this method. So if this video was very helpful to you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to share it so that you will be updated anytime I'm making video about the tricks, application, and the new store that are actually signed. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys in the next one.